Hi, I'm Mike and this is the Balloon Channel. Today we're making a one balloon sword. So, to make our balloon sword, what we'll need is a 260, any colour of your choice. I've chosen black. I'm going to blow it up all the way, right to the end. Let a bit of air out, make it nice and soft, and then we're going to tie it off. What we're going to do from there is fold it in half, and then from the top we're going to fold it back onto itself, and then we take it all in our hand in the middle like this. Taking the other hand, we're going to grab and twist all together. A little bit of arranging, and then we'll take the ends, squeeze them up. As you can see, we have our balloon sword. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment below, and click here for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more Balloon Channel content.